it's me and Daniel. Guess what, guys? We're going to the chicken land. It has been here like for 1 year, but this is our first time, very first time going here, right? Why, you're not happy going to the chicken land? Is it closed or open? So guys, let's see what we can get here. Guys, it's me, your girl Rosie for your baby, and of course this is Rosie for your baby channel. And right now I'm at Chicken Land at 87 Total. Yeah, at 87 Total. I'm here with Daniel. He looks very hungry. Don't yawn, don't yawn. He's yawning. And then they're preparing our food there. This is my first time here actually. This place I've been here for like 1 year, I guess, but I've never ever been here. So I'm going to learn their chicken and their fries. So we're gonna do that at home. We're not going to stay here. It's at night. So we're gonna do that at home. We're going to rate their food and tell you how the food is, whether it's amazing or not. And yeah, they have a variety of chicken pieces and the pricing looks good. So yeah, our food is ready, so we're going to pick. Daniel, come here. Our food is ready. We're gonna tell you how it tastes when we get home. Yeah, so this is Chicken Land at 87 Total. This is the guy who's serving us, and that's ready. So we'll tell you whether the food is amazing later. Yeah, so we are leaving. That's the view. 87 Mall. No, 87 Total. Sorry, I'm used to 87 Mall. I guess it's because I stay around there, so that's why I'm always saying like 87 Mall. Yeah, we're going to get some soda. There's a mini supermarket here. That's where we're going to get some sodas, and then we go home. It's cold, like it's chill. Nobody wants to stay outside. Hey Daniel, where are you going? You got some money to spoil me? You got some money to spoil me? Or you already spoiled me? You already spoiled me. Are you broke now? In a scale of 1 to 10, how broke are you? Like -10. -10. You really don't have money? So you have heard him, he's so broke. So this is the price, 87 Total. So we're going to get some soda and then we'll tell you how the food tastes after this. So peace. So finally guys, we are home. Yeah, we are home. We want to feast on our chicken land. Let me show you. It's called Chicken Land. Like that. Get that chicken. Fried chicken and biscuits. Okay. This is how it looks inside. This is how it looks inside. Yep. Don't know whether it has salt. We don't need to add salt, right? It's salty. The fries are salty. Do we need to add salt? There is our taster. And it's good. He's on his second one. I'm still on my first one. And then we're gonna taste the chicken. I'm gonna eat the wing, the chicken wing. Chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken wing. Oh. It tastes nice. Not bad. It's good. I love it. I love it. So bye guys, until next time. What do you say? Do you like the chicken and the fries?
Yes.
So should we go back again there?
Yes.
Let it change to 10 out of 1 out of 10. How do you rate it?
I told it 7.5.
7.5. Honest rating. Honest rating.